can you give us an update? How you're recovering? How's it going?
Everything is going well naman. It's my 6th month. As August, it's my 7th month na. So,
August is gonna be your 7th month off.
so yeah, slowly progressing lang, taking it day by day, and yeah, supporting the team.
Yeah. What do you do in terms of like trying to rehab your knee? Like how is it like on a daily basis? What do you do?
Sa Ateneo ako nagre-rehab for now. Soon, pupunta na rin ako Japan kasi pinapunta na ako ng team ko. So, every day, nagre-rehab lang ako. Make sure ko na mas lumalakas ako and mas umaayos yung pakiramdam ng tuhod ko kaysa sa ginawa ko the previous day. So, taking it day by day lang.
How does it feel now? How do you feel in terms of strength?
It feels good.
Stability?
It feels good, pero hindi pa siya perfect. So, kailangan pang pagtrabahuhan. Ako hindi ko minamadali yung recovery ko. Make sure ko na binavalue ko everyday yung oras na nakapag-rehab ako.
So itutuloy mo sa Japan?
Yeah, sa
When
team.
are you
Sa
gonna
team.
leave for Japan?
Soon. Lapit na.
Like next month?
Yeah, August. Yeah.
Yeah. So, how does it feel to be at least supporting, the Gilas team? I'm sure na may miss mo to be with the guys.
Yeah, yun yung malaking bagay na nakakamiss. Kaya yun nga, sabi ko kanina, yun yung one of the reasons why ayoko manood ng live kasi mas nami-miss ko yung paglalaro and mas naiinis ako na parang, ano ba yan, nandito dapat ako eh. So, pero syempre, kailangan ko rin isipin na right now, all I can do is support the team. So, yun, hopefully makabawi sila itong second half and manalo.
When do you think you'll be able to play kaya? Like, do you have a target month or no?
Wala naman akong target month, pero ayun, sabi ko taking it day by day lang, making sure na I'm getting kahit napaka-onting just to get a little better than yesterday.
Yeah. Message na lang for Gilas, like they're going to Saudi Arabia. You're not gonna be trying them now.
No.
Yeah.
Message ko lang, una-una mag-ingat sila. Sana walang mangyaring masama or injuries. And just stick to the, sa kung sino man lahat ng nasa locker room na yan. Just keep working and keep believing lang and kaya nila yan.
Yeah. I know your fans are happy to see you here.
Well, I'm one of the fans na din. So,
Thanks.